Good morning, ma'am. You have held the position of principal of PS Senior Secondary School for more than 2 decades. Could you please share some of your experiences and challenges during the formative years of the school?
Good morning. Why not? The challenges indeed were many. First of all, the buildings that we had to provide to hold classes for the students became very urgent. It is no exaggeration at all to say that for the foundation of a very successful and meaningful life laid during the school years, the part played by teachers, traditions, dedicated teaching were becoming very, very urgent. One of the main things was finding the right teachers. And also, with each year, we saw the addition of one more class, needing classroom and buildings. Raising funds for all these were simply not easy.
Thank you, ma'am. So, you've had the opportunity to work closely with our founder correspondent, Sri P.C. Sekhar. Could you share some interesting insights or memorable experiences about him and his vision for the school?
Mr. Sekhar was a visionary. If the school is relevant even after 50 years of its inception, he wanted to provide quality education at an affordable cost. He wanted to give the best to the children in terms of facilities. He was very grateful and happy when his friend, Mr. Bowes, chairman of Willis Faber and Dumas Limited, London, contributed a handsome amount as donation when he visited India in 1984-85. His was a major contribution to the Vidya Ganapati block, and Mr. Sekhar was visibly shaken by this abundant donation.
Thank you, ma'am. If you had to describe PS Senior Secondary School in one word, what would it be and why?
One word. Well, how could you describe an edifice of eternity in one word? If the school is what it is following the inspirational saying, Shilena Shobhate Vidya. Students of the school are following the traditions of the school with conviction and dignity, and hence are shining forever.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, looking back on your long and dedicated journey as an educator, what would you say is the most memorable moment from your tenure as a teacher in the school?
So you want a memorable moment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I have had many, indeed. I would share one with you. It filled everyone with great pride when in the year 85-86, Father Kunankar, the then chairman of the CBSE, paid encomium to the school, saying, even though the school was young, barely 10 years old, the school deserved to have a center of excellence here in the school. And the same year, the school was accorded the status of permanent affiliation with the board, which showed the trust the CBSE had in the standard of education the school provided and maintained. It was really the greatest moment of pride I had as the principal of the school.
Thank you, ma'am. And finally, would you like to share a message for the current students of PS Senior Secondary School as they continue to uphold the school's legacy?
So for the current students, a message. For 21 years, this institution was my home under the stewardship of Mr. Sekhar. As I recollect on those cherished years, I wish to address the future which holds exciting possibilities and challenges for education. The world of education is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Technology has become an integral part of our lives, transforming processes of teaching and learning. Artificial intelligence stands out as a powerful tool, but qualities like honesty, integrity, compassion, empathy cannot be taught by machines. Only teachers can impart them. 50, 50 years ago, when the use of technology in schools was minimal, this school was fortunate to have a guru, P.C. Sekhar, a person who had remarkable foresight. His initiatives crossed the boundaries of time, giving all of you a learning capacity relevant for all times. My admiration for our students, who at all times were well behaved, adapted themselves to the code of conduct laid by the school, worked to their fullest capacity, made a mark for themselves. I am extremely proud of the music group, especially, who are today's Vidwans and Vidushis. May the school be blessed in all its efforts by Jagadguru, who, by his very presence on the 22nd April 1988, blessed the school to great heights. Thank you.